Look around. We are living in an era of unprecedented opportunity, yet the vast majority of people are quietly suffocating under the weight of financial anxiety. You've been sold a lie. You've been told that if you just read enough self-help books, or if you just aggressively cut out your morning coffee, you'll somehow unlock financial freedom. But you know the truth. You've tried the generic advice. You've tried the forced motivation, and you're still stuck in the exact same place. Why? Because traditional personal development ignores the single most critical factor in your success, your financial psychology. You don't have a money problem, you have a mind problem. Your habits, your subconscious beliefs, and your daily lack of discipline are actively repelling wealth. Welcome to Aura for Growth. This is not your average motivation channel. We don't do empty hype, and we don't do overnight get-rich-quick schemes. This channel is built on one core philosophy: financial discipline. True growth happens at the exact intersection of mastering your mind and mastering your money. We decode the psychology behind wealth building. We break down the invisible barriers that keep intelligent, capable people trapped in mediocrity.
Motivation is a feeling. It fades when things get hard. Discipline is a system. It is the armor you wear when the world demands you settle for less. Here, we build systems. We rewire the way you perceive value, time, and delayed gratification. So what exactly do we do here? Twice a week, we upload highly researched, actionable breakdowns designed to elevate your financial and personal trajectory. Pillar 1, Cognitive Wealth. We explore how your brain processes risk, reward, and spending. We teach you how to spot the psychological traps designed by marketers to drain your bank account, and how to use those same psychological principles to build your own net worth. Pillar 2, Ruthless Productivity. Time is your only non-renewable asset. We break down the habits that are quietly killing your focus and replace them with elite frameworks used by top-tier performers to get more done in 4 hours than most do in a week.
Pillar 3, Tactical Discipline. Abstract concepts are useless without application. We provide step-by-step strategies to aggressively eliminate debt, build high-income skills, and leverage your resources to create actual, tangible leverage in your life. Building an undeniable aura of success isn't an accident. It is a deliberate, calculated process. It requires stripping away the comfortable lies you tell yourself and confronting the reality of your current habits. If you are satisfied with average, this channel is not for you. You can click away right now. But if you are ready to engineer your mind for absolute financial discipline, if you are ready to build an aura of competence, wealth, and unshakable growth, then you are in exactly the right place. The blueprint is here. The only variable missing is your execution. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications. We are uploading 2 massive videos every single week, perfectly timed to keep you focused, disciplined, and moving forward. Don't let another year pass you by with nothing to show for it. Welcome to the top tier. Welcome to Aura for Growth.